something new. I ate it. Keeping an eye on you. Well, I think that was one of my leghorns. And now there's two. Little stinkers. So on today's episode of Why Aren't They Laying Where Their Nest Is Anymore, I get to find this. I have no idea how many are in here. Oh my goodness. So that's where they've been laying. Honestly. And over here, we're wrapping up the coop. And she's cleaning it up so I can put in my pumpkin patch. I love it when you come a bit pumpkin. What are you, on your lunch break? Get back to work, you lazy ones. Get back to work. What's up, baby? Oh, my baby. Oh, no, my sweet baby. I love you. I love you, my sweet baby. Yes, I do. You're my babe. Yes, you are. Yes, you are, B. Can you smile? Me. Sweet girl.
Work would be a colossal failure.
It's gonna work. It's not hooked on the tree up there, is it?
No.
We got it, we got it, we got it, we got it, we got it. Halsey is the bomb.com. All the birds are so happy for the bugs. You are so nosy. Do you think that you could wait until we're done moving it? It's not in place yet. This is your neighbor's house. This is for your neighbors. But it's not safe for you to be in here right now. You need to get out. She's moving the house.